Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? This joke is kind of funny, man. Silver walks up to gold in the bar and says, "Hey, you, get out of here." Don't you get it? For those of you who don't know what AU is, that is gold. Anyways, there's some pretty disturbing things I'm seeing happen in the crypto world. I got to be honest, it's real disturbing. People should be upset about it. I don't care where you fall on either side of the fence. What they're doing should be upsetting, and people should be really speaking out. But it falls exactly right in line with where I told you my concerns were. Let's take a peek at what's going on. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. Oh, right now, people are thinking about buying gold and silver. As a matter of fact, it's caused a couple day delay, but that's okay. Get your order in today. You like how I did that? Yeah. So, if you think about buying gold and silver, check out our friends over at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you'll get a free half ounce of silver. Trust me, you want that free half ounce right about now. As we look at cryptos, slowly but surely, they're gaining back some of their losses. There's a part of me that can't help but feel that this is just their way of trying to distract people from what's going on with gold and silver, hoping to get some people back over into cryptocurrencies and away from gold and silver. Bitcoin back up to $38,745. Ethereum's at $2,579. XRP's at 72 cents. Cardano at 80 cents. Solana at $82.81. Polkadot's at $17.10. Dogecoin is at 11 cents. And I don't know why the Shiba never shows up on the screen. It never does. They're at 4023. Polygon's at $1.45. Crypto.com is at 39 cents. You take a look at the 52-week average. Most all of them are sitting over to the right, are sitting over to the left side. That's not where you want them. It's nice to see that all of them, for the most part, are in the green. Cryptos trying to make a comeback. Silver's at $26.32. It's pulled back just a little, but still managing to stay, first of all, above $26, but also in the green. Yeah, look at that. Like I said in the other video, since the end of January, both gold and silver have been moving in the right direction, which is upwards. And this is just the start of things to come. Silver, $26.32. Gold, $2,043. It was up slightly higher than this a little while ago. It's come down just a little. Yeah, I was up there around $2,070. But $2,043.40 on the graph, same thing with gold. Since the end of January, gold has been consistently moving up. And what you notice is, you can see consistently moving down is stock market. Dow, since January, moving down as gold and silver move up. Satoma 7012, it's up 4.5%, but over the last hour, it is up 1.3%. Over the last 7 days, it is down 26.6%. Over the last 14 days, it's down 24.7%. Over the last 30 days, it is down 50.5%. Yikes. So this is the kind of thing you don't want to see. Yeah, I told you all this stuff going on with Ukraine and Russia. That was just some excuse for them to start to make their move. As I see they're attacking cryptos around the world, claiming now that crypto has blood on their hand for what's going on in Ukraine. I'm not even kidding you. That's what these politicians are saying around the world. And they want to find a way to either ban them or for the government to take control of them altogether. You had to know this was coming. And guess what else they were partnering up with that? Yeah, they're saying that it's time now for the central bank's digital currency to be rolled out just for these types of situations. What do they mean by that? This type of situation. Oh, you mean the fact that it's a programmable currency, and if somebody doesn't fall in line or somebody does something you don't like, then you punish them by programming their currency? Yeah, I don't think so. I'm against that. As a matter of fact, I think they should leave cryptocurrencies alone 100%. We understand that bad people are going to do bad things with them. Oh, wow. Leave them alone. If there's a problem with what Putin's doing, then let Putin and the country he's dealing with handle it their own way. And if the citizens don't like it, then they can do something about it. But us always sticking our nose in everybody else's business has got to stop. We are not the beacon of the free world. We're almost the opposite of that by now, in case you haven't figured it out. This great reset seems to still be in full swing right about now. So here you have it. Biden is preparing to sign an executive order to expand U.S. oversight of the $2 trillion cryptocurrency market. Yeah, crypto people, don't you love that? U.S. President Biden is reportedly set to sign an executive order aimed at unifying the government's oversight of a cryptocurrency market. So first, this stuff has already been planned out for a long time. I told you it was my feeling that cryptocurrencies were just a way to indoctrinate people into the central bank digital currency. The more I see these things start to happen, the more I'm convinced of it. See, at first they lure you in with total anonymity, peer-to-peer, no regulations, no taxes, it's done privately, no government in there. Now look at where we are. The order is expected to direct federal agencies to study potential regulation and policies for digital currencies. Yeah, okay. The order may address the possibility of the U.S. issuing a central bank digital currency. Didn't you see this coming? Did you not see this coming? They're going to force you into this one world government, one world currency, whether you want it or not. Thank God for gold and silver, so I have something outside of the system. Even if they outlaw gold and silver, you still could use it. There's going to be people who are going to want it, trade it. They can outlaw it all they want. But you see, we're out of the system. There is no way to track what we do. They'll track everything you do with your cryptocurrency, though. Anyways, this executive order is expected to be signed this week and should describe what the Treasury Department and other government agencies need to do to develop regulations and policies on digital currencies. Two sources told the AP that work on the order began well before Russia's invasion into Ukraine nearly 2 weeks ago. Biden said his people are concerned about the use of cryptocurrencies by Russia to sidestep international sanctions stemming from the war it launched against the former Soviet Republic. So, yeah, here's the thing. You see right here. What are they concerned about? Sidestepping sanctions. They want control. We must control everything you do, control everything everybody else does. That's why these people are breaking away from the dollar. They are de-dollarizing everywhere. That's why I said there's the death of the dollar. That thing is over. Down here it says Biden's executive order will require government agencies later this year to report on what they're doing related to digital tokens. It was added that directive is also expected to address the possibility of the U.S. issuing a central bank digital currency, a CBDC. You gotta love this though, but the administration may hold off on taking firm position on the creation of the CBDC only because of midterms. That's for sure. Coinbase caves on Russian sanctions. So, remember when I was talking about, I would be concerned about the government sticking their nose in your business, getting in there and controlling cryptocurrencies. So you see, the platform might be decentralized, but the exchange is not going to escape the reach of the government. So when you go, well, they can't do anything, Pimpy, they're on a decentralized platform. Yeah, obviously they can. They certainly can go after the exchanges like they're doing now. And look at, they cave in. See, if I own Coinbase, I would say, no, I'm not doing anything. This is a free-flowing economy in here. This is a free-flowing ecosystem in here. Nothing is allowed to interrupt it. We understand that bad people do bad things and they're in here, but that's not our problem. In order for it to be free like it's meant to be and like it was created, no government can come in and dictate to us what we want done. But we knew that wasn't going to happen. You knew this wasn't going to happen. So this is not a separate free monetary system. You don't get freedom with cryptocurrencies. I love how crypto people are like, oh man, this is like getting freedom. You have no freedom. You see it right here. There is no freedom. If the government came out today and said they are outlawing gold and silver, guess what? We're still free. They don't have the manpower to go door to door trying to take everybody's gold and silver. All they have to do here is go after the exchanges, and that's it. Coinbase is a freaking disappointment. I would have just said, no, we need to find an exchange that'll move to a neutral country. And now there's not even neutral countries. They're all signed up with NATO now. So much for that. Move into a neutral country, open up their particular exchanges there, and tell governments, no, don't bug us. I'm not getting involved with your guys' crap. And just leave it alone. So yeah, this is a disappointment, but not surprising. Ethereum 2.0 shifts to proof of stake is just months away from launch, and analysts are bullish about the update. Here's why. Well, I told you this was coming along here. Once this sucker launched, this is really going to make, in my opinion, Ethereum untouchable. Right now, their fees are too expensive, but this is supposed to take care of that. Ethereum will move from proof of work to proof of stake this summer. Good deal. So if you're going to go into, of course, cryptocurrencies, the one crypto that I would, that's the most reliable in my opinion, definitely is the Ethereum. So it says the Ethereum 2.0 merge upgrades promises to cut transaction fees. There it is. Increase coin burned and improve congestion. This should in turn limit supply and lift activity, giving analysts reasons to be bullish in the long term. Yeah, Ethereum is a long-term coin. I wouldn't watch it go up and down. Just leave it alone. Leave your money in there. If you people really believe in cryptos that much, I just wouldn't want the government all in my business. Ethereum is finally closing in on a shift of proof of stake and changes the gas fees that should give it cryptocurrency a boost, even as rival DeFi blockchains chase at its heels. One of the biggest and only complaints about Ethereum is the gas fees. Transaction fees is what they're talking about. So if they found a solution for that, really, I just don't think there's any other cryptocurrency out there. And I don't want to hear everybody, oh, my crypto's better. My New World Order crypto XRP's better. No, it hasn't done crap. It isn't going anywhere. It's just going to be a banking coin. That's it. And you continue to help the Great Reset and continue to help function and let XRP and all you investors that are invested in the XRP continue to fund those individuals who are using those funds to create a central bank digital currency that enslaves people. Can Morgan Stanley be the largest Bitcoin owning institution in 2020? There you go, you guys. You want them banking people and hedge fund people in there. Yeah, monopolizing everything just like they did the gold and silver. So will cryptos be around? Sure, they're going to be around. And look who's controlling it. JP Morgan, Chase, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock. All the people that cryptos were supposed to protect you and get you away from are now your bed buddies. Again, I still own cryptocurrencies, but man, I sure the heck don't like what's going on. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with that? I think if an exchange comes up, they should be untouchable. Tell the government I'd go to some neutral country where governments can't tell me what to do and just let that platform leave it alone. I understand there's people that do nefarious things, but let them get caught. What I don't want you to do is start deciding who you want or what you don't want is the government to make the decisions on whether somebody is a good guy or a bad guy, or that they don't like somebody, therefore they want something done to their wallet. Anyways, that's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I catch you later. I'm out.